Alright, hi guys, so I'm here to review this makeup case. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but get over it. But I will post all the dimensions and everything in the comment, in the actual written part of it, so you can see. But the outside, you can see here, it is a thick, hard case. Of course, it does have the two locks up here with the clasp and the handle that you can carry. It is like this all the way around. As you can see there, it has the hinges in the back, and then of course the hinges in the front. It does come with two little keys, so you can lock your case if you want. I haven't locked it, so we're just going to go ahead and open this up and show you the goodies. So let me turn it to the side so you can see it better. If you can see it better. Okay, so when you open it up, as you can see up here, it does have the little thing, compartments in it. Of course, I do have some of my stuff in it. There are these little foam padding things right here, and then there's little nicks on it, so you can move the little foam pads into the nicks to make it the size you want it to fit. Like, I have longer stuff here, so I had to move those back to make that longer fit. Next, it opens up like this. Underneath here, you have a second compartment that also has the little nicks, so you can also store your stuff. Inside down here, all of the inside is foam lined, and then down here you have a bigger compartment. I'll show you in a second. I'll take the camera off and show you all that good stuff. These are deeper compartments. Let me go ahead and get a zoom in on that. So as you can see, they are deeper compartments where you can store all your goodies and stuff in it. And then the top up here, it does all compact into one. It does hold a fairly good amount of stuff. As you can see, I have my brushes in here, I have my eyeliner, my eyeshadows, and then down there I have my lipsticks, my foundation, and more eyeshadows and contacts and everything like that. Like I said, all of it is foam lined. These little things do come out, and once again, they have the little nicks so you can adjust them to the size that you need them to go to. And then if you don't want to unfold it, you can just put everything back, and it stacks up very nicely like that. As you can see, it does have the little things, and then they go to the side here so that you can open it all up at once. It is very convenient. It does hold quite a bit, as you can see right here. I am fairly impressed with it. It's a smaller case compared to my other cases, but it definitely does get quite a bit of storage room in it. I will list the size of the compartments and the depths and everything like that in the written part of it. But overall, I'm very happy with it. Like, you just close this up. All you have to do is fold those up, and then the little pieces right here lock. As you can see, there's the little keyhole lock. But there's your case. It's easy to go. It has a nice little handle, easy to carry. So overall, I definitely think it's worth the price. I did get this at a full promotional discount for my unbiased review and return.